we'll see if the engine's gonna blow up or not. All right, so that's gonna be the first start after the Cambelt change. Welcome back, guys. It is Friday and today I'm gonna continue working on my VW Transporter. The other week someone's supposed to change the Cambelt, but he failed, so I decided to do this by myself. I already got the parts in the van. Now I'm gonna organize the tools, have a quick change and head over to my friend's house where I'm gonna start the day. Stay with me, guys. Right then, I've got everything stripped down now, so the airbox is out, the under tray is out, the actual timing chain cover is out, the engine mount out, and I've got a beautiful access to a Cambelt now. To be honest with you, it was So far anyways, it was easier than I thought it will be. The thing that gave me the most struggle was the engine mount, and just because it was so rusty, I couldn't get the bolts out. But yeah, all done now, and now I can move on to changing the actual belt. So let's see how that goes. Right, quick update. I wasn't able to finish it up yesterday, so yeah, it got too dark, so I'm back here now, but we've got everything done. So yeah, we're gonna give it a quick start now, or the first start, and we'll see if the engine's gonna blow up or not. All right, so that's gonna be the first start after the Cambelt change. Yeah, look at our happy days. So I've got the engine warning light. Right, let's have a look. Okay. Yeah. So we've got the same no codes. There you go.
Oh, done that.
Job done.
A few moments later.
And that's that. Not only the glow plug fault is back, which is fine, you know, it's still showing glow plug number 2, so I might as well just change that. But the squeaky noise is back again. I think it might be one of the bearings or on alternator maybe, or power steering pump, I don't know, or even the AC. So if one of you had a similar problem with your VW or have any idea what could be the reason for that squeaky noise, please let me know. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna have to carry on working on it, and yeah, I'll get there eventually. Thanks for watching. My name is David. I'll see you next week.